Hey everybody, it's Grant, and today I'm going to show you how to make a no-bake, make-ahead ice cream sundae that's perfect for entertaining or for just keeping in the freezer for whenever you feel like having a little ice cream treat. So we're going to start this recipe with some chocolate sandwich cookies. I have 24 of them, which is 2 sleeves. And here I have a little bit of melted butter, and now I'm just going to pour it into our food processor and blend this up a little bit more. So I'm just going to pop all that into there. So to get this crust evenly spread out, I'm just going to use the bottom of a regular old measuring cup. So I'm going to pop this into the fridge and let the crust sort of like set up a little bit. I'm going to pull the ice cream out of the freezer so it gets nice and soft, and then put it into a separate bowl just to sort of like make it nice and spreadable. And then we will start layering our ice cream pie. So our chocolate cookie crust is all set up. So now we're going to start layering the ice cream. Over here we have some chocolate ice cream, and now I'm just going to spread it on top of the chocolate cookie crust, and then we're going to top that with a layer of strawberry ice cream. So at this point, if it starts melting, just throw it in. It's my last name. Melton. If it starts melting, you just throw it right into the freezer and let it harden up a little bit, and then you can put on the last layer, which is vanilla ice cream. Spread it out nice and thin, and then pop that back into the freezer. That's firming up in the freezer, so right now I'm going to make the hot fudge that goes on top. Our cream is nice and warm, and I'm going to add in a ½ cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. So you can either use chopped chocolate or you can just use chocolate chips. I always have dark chocolate chips on hand because you know I'm always making cookies. 2 tablespoons of corn syrup. I'm going to grab a whisk. That's looking like a pretty good consistency. I'm gonna add 2 more things. One is just a pinch of salt and ½ teaspoon of vanilla. All right, so this hot fudge is ready to go. I'm gonna whip up some cream, and then we're gonna serve our ice cream pie. You can see all the layers. We have our chocolate cookie, our chocolate ice cream, a little bit of strawberry, some vanilla on top. So, a little bit of hot fudge on top, a little bit of whipped cream on top, some chopped nuts, and we're gonna top it off with a little cherry. Look at that beautiful ice cream pie. Oh, it's so good. Absolutely delicious.